Super Kids! Food truck! Hello, my friends! Look at this amazing food truck! We have so many delicious kinds of food! Come on, let's look for a good place to sell this delicious food! Come on! Let's stop here for a bit and see if there is someone who wants to eat here. It seems like this is a place for work and it is so dirty. Let's wait for a while. It seems like it is a construction place and no one will come here. Shall we go and check another place? Come on! Beep beep! Wow! It is a duck pond! There are so many ducks here. It seems we will be selling a lot today. No! What is this? The ducks are attacking us. Oh my God! We won't be able to leave. I have an idea. Come on, let's feed them. There you go. There you go. Goodbye, beautiful ducks. Come on, let's go and try another place. Come on. What a beautiful place. We are close to the beach. Finally. Now we can serve you our delicious food. Here, we have the menu. And this is for people to sit on and choose the kinds of food from here. Here is the cashier. And here we serve the orders. And this is the chef. Hello!
Hello, Danny. We have so many delicious kinds of food. Come on, we are waiting for you.
Hello, my friends! Hello, Danny! We want to try the food truck. We are hungry! Let's go! We want to order food.
Hello. Sure. Do you want to sit down?
Yes, please!
There you go. What's your order, my friends?
We want some French fries and pizza!
All right. There you go.
This is so delicious! Thank you so much!
You are welcome at any time.
Thank you, my friends. Goodbye! Hey, pals! Did you like our video? Search for Superkids on YouTube. Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe!